hello all YouTube. Yeah, it's back this week for another installment of the boat About Time. Yeah, it's been a big week this week. We've had lots on, and I mean lots, just in my personal life plus in the boat. We've started on the wiring, and we've put our first coat of the chosen colour on the boat. You have to stick around in the video to see that one. And I went shopping, and I went back to my favourite little shop in Cairns, Whitworth's Marine. Went and seen the team there. Excuse me. I needed just to get a few other things for the boat. Most importantly, I needed to get a new VHF radio. So went in there, seen the team, asked them what they had on special. Had a look around at a few different products, and I ended up purchasing myself this, the Icon VHF radio and a new aerial. So that'll be fitted in the boat along with all the other electronics, key, all the switches and lights, the spotlights, deck lights, the whole lot. Like I said, we started on that this week too, so there's wires everywhere inside the boat, and we'll be progressing along with that when it's not raining. But while it is good at the moment, we're going to get in and do a few things. We ripped out all the old wiring, fitted the gauges to the dash for the motor, so that's all running again, all nice and smooth. Like I said, we painted the first coat of colour coat on the boat. We've also started to sign write the boat with the name, so that's on there too. We just got to do the other side, the port side, and yeah, then it's just the internal touch-ups, finishing the flow coat and everything inside the boat. Yeah, a few other little bits and pieces and fittings. We've also drilled the holes for where we're going to mount the sav winch up on the bow. I just got to reinforce underneath in the cabin a little bit, and we'll bolt that all in properly, and we'll start wiring that up too, so I'm looking forward to that. But this is where we are. Like I said, it's been a huge week. Stick around with us, like, subscribe, tell your mates, and most importantly, do me a favour, watch the video. I need to get my watch hours up. I'm nearly at my 500 subscriber mark, and you all mean the world to me, so please subscribe. But for now, sit back and see where we got to this week on the wreck About Time, bringing it back to a sports fishing machine. Well, thanks for sticking around with us till the end of this video. Like I said, it's been a huge week. There's been lots done. Still lots to go, but we're on the tail end of it now. We've just got a little bit more painting to do, and a few little trimming bits and pieces, a little bit up in the bow with the beds, and to finish the wiring. I've just gone and purchased a new battery too, so that'll be the second battery. That'll run all the electronics side of things, so that'll all be wired into very shortly, so that'll be out in next week's video. But in next week's video, hope to have all the paint finished. As you've seen, we've put the first coat of the colour on. That's all, sorry, needs to be sanded back again now and gone over with another coat. Need to touch up the white in a few places, and yeah, I think we will be ready then for doing a water testing. So that's something really to look forward to in the next couple of weeks. Thanks again for sticking with us. It's been a long rebuild, very long rebuild. It's been very difficult for me. I've had a lot going on in my life, a bit of failing health, the whole lot. But we're getting right near the end of it, and very soon we'll be bringing out a lot better content for you. So fishing, exploring, looking creeks, bays, you know, travel up and down the coast a bit, and a lot more exciting stuff. So please stick with us if you're interested in my journey and the adventures. Yeah, subscribe. It's the biggest thing you can do to help me. Just subscribe, watch my videos, share it with your friends. And yeah, we'll be in the water very soon and bringing a lot better content. So once again, thanks for sticking with this week's video, and there'll be a lot more to see in the next week's video, so stick with us.